We all have the right to belong to a country.
We all have the right to take part in the government of our country. Every grown-up should be allowed to choose their own leaders.
We all have the right to a home, enough money to live on, and medical help if we are ill. Music and art, craft and sport are for everyone to enjoy.
We all have the right to meet our friends and work together in peace to defend our rights. Nobody can make us join a group if we don't want to.
Everyone has the right to own things or share them. Nobody should take our things from us without a good reason.
There must be proper order so we can all enjoy rights and freedoms in our own country and all over the world.
We all have a right to education and to finish primary school, which should be free. We should be able to learn a career or make use of all our skills. Our parents have the right to choose how and what we learn. We should learn about the United Nations and about how to get on with other people and to respect their rights.